Hey guys, are you want to buy best OTG cable? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best OTG cable that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Jsaux OTG Cable, this USB-C to USB 3.0 OTG adapter set is a compact and reliable solution for expanding your device's connectivity. It easily converts your USB-C port to support flash drives, keyboards, mice, hubs, and more, allowing true on-the-go functionality for smartphones, tablets, and laptops. With USB 3.0 superspeed transfer rates of up to 5 gigabits per second, 10 times faster than USB 2.0, you can transfer large files, HD movies, or music in seconds. The premium nylon braided design ensures a tangle-free experience and extra durability, while the aluminum alloy body provides a sleek look and long-lasting strength. Compatible with a wide range of USB-C devices, including Samsung Galaxy S25/S24/S23, MacBook Pro/Air, and LG models, this adapter offers both versatility and performance. Each pack includes 2 adapters, backed by responsive 24-hour customer support, making it a perfect choice for users seeking durability, speed, and convenience in everyday connectivity. Now our second product is Anker OTG Cable. The Anker USB-C to USB 3.1 adapter delivers exceptional performance and reliability, making it an essential accessory for any USB-C device. With USB on-the-go, OTG, technology, it lets you easily connect flash drives, keyboards, mice, and other USB peripherals to your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Enjoy lightning-fast superspeed data transfers up to 5 gigabits per second, perfect for transferring HD movies, large files, or music in seconds. Built with premium aramid fiber, this adapter is impressively durable and designed to withstand daily wear and tear far better than standard alternatives. Backed by Anker's trusted reputation and the confidence of over 10 million satisfied users, it ensures top-tier quality and compatibility. The package includes the Anker USB-C to USB 3.1 adapter, a welcome guide, and an 18-month worry-free warranty with responsive customer service, making this a dependable and long-lasting connectivity solution for all your devices. Our third product is Ugreen OTG Cable. The USB-C to USB-A adapter is a versatile and efficient solution for connecting your USB-C devices to traditional USB accessories. With its 10 gigabits per second high-speed data transfer capability and two-way charging support, it allows you to move files in seconds, 20 times faster than USB 2.0, while keeping your devices powered. The plug-and-play design requires no drivers, and its slim build easily fits even with your phone case on. Built for convenience, the wired design prevents port crowding and reduces the risk of misplacing the adapter. The premium nylon braided cable and sturdy aluminum shell ensure long-lasting durability and tangle-free use. Compatible with a wide range of devices, including MacBook Pro/Air, Samsung Galaxy S23/S21, iPad Pro, Dell XPS, and Google Pixel, this adapter is perfect for connecting flash drives, keyboards, or hard drives. Reliable, fast, and durable, an essential accessory for any modern workspace or travel kit. Now number 4, Amazon Basics OTG Cable. The Amazon Basics USB-C to USB-A adapter cable is a compact and reliable solution for fast charging and data transfer. Certified by USBIF, it ensures safe and efficient connections between any USB-C and USB-A devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, power banks, and chargers. Delivering up to 15 W, 5V/3A, of power and transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second, it lets you quickly move data, photos, and music in seconds. The 5.5-inch length makes it portable and ideal for everyday use or travel, while its durable build guarantees consistent performance. Compatible with USB 3.0 and 2.1 standards, it offers smooth connectivity for both charging and syncing tasks. The compact design fits snugly into tight ports, making it perfect for modern devices where space is limited. Backed by Amazon Basics' 1-year limited warranty, this cable provides both performance and peace of mind, an excellent everyday essential for tech users. And our last choice is Mogood OTG Cable. The USB-C OTG adapter with power is a versatile 2-in-1 splitter designed for users who need to connect USB devices while charging. Featuring one 18W PD USB-C charging port and one USB-A 2.0 port, it supports simultaneous data transfer and charging for compatible USB-C devices. Ideal for use with Surface Book 2, Dell XPS, Google Chromecast, Nintendo Switch, Raspberry Pi 4B, Samsung Galaxy S24, and more. This adapter offers reliable 18W power delivery and stable connectivity. The compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for travel or on-the-go use. While it supports most USB-C devices, users should note that it's not compatible with some models, e.g., LG G6, Moto G Stylus, MacBook, or devices with 3.5mm headphone jacks. With plug-and-play functionality and no extra drivers required, this OTG cable is a convenient choice for expanding device connectivity. Includes 1x USB-C OTG with power cable. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.